Jeez, it's the Urban Swag Master, ready to make some more magic. This time we have a very old denim Avirex jacket. I bought it, I already had this bullet hole in it. Some trap cat probably had this mug, don't know what he did with it. Again, it's not that I like the jacket, but I like the possibility of what we can make with it. Again, everything is what up, what up, what up, what up. This is your boy back at it again. Okay. So now, it is time. We have the Avirex jacket. This one, if you remember, I showed you. And so, you see a lot of sting, because I've already pre-wetted in hot water. And this is a kind of a cold Michigan morning, so we're gonna go ahead and dump it on in here. And we're just gonna let this soak. I want to let this soap get all in here because again, I'm trying to strip this down. Like this one, I want this one butt naked as well. Butt ass naked. So this is another one I'm going to strip it down. I want all that, the blue dye to come off. I want everything to come off. So I gotta start wearing gloves for this too, but that's neither here nor there. So like I said, I'm gonna try to get it totally submerged. I wanna make sure I get it really soaked with bleach first. And again, I'm just gonna leave it out here. I should have waited for y'all, but I got a head start. I was experimenting. I got this blue. Actually, this is the blue right here. You kind of can't see that. This red dye blue. And I decided that, and honestly, I should have did this with the yellow. But you know, you live and you learn. It's kind of much, it's a little more practical and a little more easier without buying a whole bunch more dye, I think, to just put it in a spray bottle and spray it. So that's what I started doing. And, you know, I think I've got some pretty cool results. And so I'm gonna show you what I did. And again, there was no math in putting it in a spray bottle. I got a old dollar store spray bottle, filled it up, I put the whole bottle of dye in there, a little bit of vinegar, a splash of dishwashing liquid, and some hot water. As soon as I get this glove back on, I'm going to finish spraying, and hopefully we'll have a positive result. That is what I am hoping. Man, I hate putting damn gloves on. I got a lot of expensive gloves. Like the kind, I need to get the glove like the kind you clean porta potties with. Shit, thick boys, cause these, man, going in and out of these. My goodness. Spent half the video putting on damn gloves and shit. Where them doctor gloves at, man? Them doctor come to the emergency room ER, gloves be on in a 0.5 milliseconds. How the hell he do that shit? Follow the damn doctor. Dude be done died in the emergency room waiting for me to put on some damn gloves. Like, doc, he's bleeding. He's crashing out. Wait a minute, I'm still trying to put on my gloves. Shit. But whatever. All right, so just to show you what we was doing, this is what I got. Let me get a little water here. I don't want to get that. Don't want to get that where that ain't supposed to be. But yeah, I just been spraying. And you can see it right in here. Just been spraying. And I don't know how sustainable this is, because this is not like drenching it, like dipping it in there, like I was trying to do with the yellow. You know, this is just spraying it And I may wash it and heck, for all I know, the stuff may not even look the same after I wash it. But I feel confident in saying I'm probably gonna empty this whole bottle, spraying this bad boy. And who knows? Maybe I'll have something I actually might wear someplace. Wear it to the art gallery. So I'm gonna keep spraying, 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 spraying. Spraying, spraying, spraying. Spraying, 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 spraying. And then I'm probably just gonna let it set. After I spray, 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 spray. Probably just let it set overnight. Let all that dye sink in. All right, let's see what we got. So the yellow starts. Yellow, I'll get it some about right in here. Let's do the front of it. Again, I don't know. Honestly, I'm kind of getting excited now. I think it's going to be really cool. Honestly, do. I think this is, oh no, not the wall. Might to kill me. I think this may be something really cool. Sorry. If you can see, I think this may look like something and not something just you're gonna wear to go paint a damn privacy fence. Like this may actually look like something. I should have did it on the table where I was doing everything else, but I ain't feel like this. Again, this was just kind of like a random decision. I mean, like super duper random. Like, hey, I wonder what would happen if and then boom, I just did it. I just did it. All right, I think I'm gonna leave it. Let me see. Actually, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna spread it out more. I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna use this. Oh, I gotta wipe that wall off. And I'm gonna spray some more. I got some down there, but it actually looks kind of cool with little spots on it. But I don't want to get a whole bunch more. So I like the way this is going, so I'm just gonna keep doing it. I want to. The more I spray, it seems like the deeper it gets. And that's actually what I wanted initially. I had wanted like some really, really deep colors. Where am I at with spray? Looks like I got about half a bottle left, so let's knock it on out. Let's spray, 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 spray. And let's get this other sleeve in the mix. And the back. So I'm gonna try to turn it around again and get some more in the back. Well, let me get some more of this sleeve right here. You know what? I may just leave it and just come do like a second. You know how you do paint? And you come back and do a second coat? I don't know if dye works the same, but yeah, what if it do? What if I can come back and do a second coat? Don't know if I can, but I may try. Oh, we got a spot right there, man. So, yep, I think this is good for tonight. It's getting late. I'm getting sleepy. So I may just leave it just like that. All right. This is your boy. Next time you're gonna see a quick clip, and then we're gonna go to the final result. I guess I'm not gonna show y'all any more shit. You didn't see me bleach this motherfucker. You didn't see me rinse the bleach. You didn't see me dye it in yellow gold, whatever. Y'all don't need to see nothing else. You don't need to see nothing else. Next thing you need to see is how the damn thing gonna look. So, all right, see you in a second. So this is the jacket. I guess it came out all right. It's not quite the blue I thought it was gonna be. I think some of the blue, by kind of getting into the yellow, it kind of absorbed and became more of a greenish blue. But, and I don't know, I'm thinking about wearing some dark color pants with it, or even some jeans. I really don't know, but it'll work. It's definitely not something you can wear every day, but this came out a lot better than I thought it was gonna come out. It's not a complete fail. You know, I think it has some functionality. You know, we'll take a look at it. That's it. It's not so bad. And bam. So I do got a pair of kicks. It works. Small patent leather Air Force Ones. So hey, it can work. It can work. It can work. Y'all tell me what you think. Would you rock it? Throw it away? Sell it? Did I just ruin it? Again, this was a $2 Avirex jacket. That was originally just a regular old blue denim jacket. And we did a little trap thug thizzle to it. Made it into something. Something good, something bad, but it's something. Alright, it's late. I've been fucking with this jacket for 2 days. Yeah, for 2 days. So this is the end result. We'll see what happens. Peace.